Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Today I'm here with a CFmoto 800 MTX. It's already a great bike, but we have prepared several parts to make it even more convenient for traveling and adventure riding. The footpeg is the critical touch point in between the motorbike and your body, and it has a direct impact on handling the bike as well as on your riding comfort. Here you can clearly see it's not a footpeg like a footpeg. Here is the OEM footpeg, here is the RADE Garage footpeg. Different material, different manufacturing technology, different design, different size. The first advantage of the RADE Garage footpegs, it's about handling the motorbike. Because the footpegs are about 30% wider, it means you have bigger lever, and you can easily maneuver with the motorbikes from the left to the right corner in the terrain. And on top of that, we use the stainless steel cleats, removable ones, that ensure you very good grip, contact with your boot, even in slippery conditions. The second advantage of the RADE Garage footpegs, it's about the riding comfort. Because they are positioned about 15 millimeters lower than the originals, it means your knee angle is more relaxed on long journeys. The RADE Garage footpegs are made from high-end aerospace aluminum. They are produced here, next door, on our 5-axis CNC mill. We try to pay attention to every contour, to every detail, and they have black anodized finishing. Let me summarize. The RADE Garage footpegs gives you better handling of your motorbike because they are wider. They give you more comfort because they are positioned lower and your knees are more relaxed. And they are CNC milled from high-end aerospace aluminum. So if you like it, please order on our eShop.